Okay, so even though it's 2025 and we've got ChatGPT and so many other AI tools, most self-taught programmers fail. Not because they're dumb, not because they are lazy, but because they fall into the same traps over and over. So let's talk about why 95% of them never make it and how we can avoid becoming one of them. So mistake number one, tutorial hell. They watch course after course, video after video, and never actually build anything. Yeah, you're learning, but are you applying it? If all you do is follow along with someone else's code, you're not coding, you're copy-pasting with commentary. The solution, build stuff even if it sucks. That's where the real learning happens. Mistake number two, trying to learn everything at once. They jump from Python to React to Rust to AI to blockchain and end up mastering nothing. They want to learn everything at once and end up overwhelmed. Pick a lane, go deep, ship things. Once you have momentum, you can always expand. But if you try to learn it all from day one, you'll burn out before you even get started. Mistake number three, they never ask for help. Look, no one's giving out awards for struggling silently. You're not weak for asking questions. You've got Reddit, Discord, Stack Overflow, and obviously so many AI tools. You have unlimited resources and real people ready to help. The devs who grow the fastest, they ask for help, learn, then pass it on. That's how you level up. And mistake number four, no direction equals no progress. You're grinding lead code, building half-finished projects, but for what? No roadmap, no goal, no outcome. The self-taught devs who make it, they treat it like a job. They set goals, build towards something, document the journey. Even if it's small, focus matters more than raw effort. So in conclusion, self-taught doesn't mean alone. It means you choose the harder path. But guess what? That also means you control your outcome. So yeah, 95% fail, but the 5%, they're the ones who build careers, launch startups, and never have to ask permissions again. So keep pushing because the only thing stopping you is stopping.